Look at this Dewalt 5 ampere battery. It's only showing 1 bar, but if you put in the charger, it will not charge. If you put it into a tool, it will do something, but it's only charging to 1 bar. It's as good as useless. And the voltage is showing 15.7, which is low for a battery like this. We get it open. Let's see what's going on. Just pull the top off. Right, if you take a look, I can see something right away. If you look, this little should be a little connector going from here to here. It is broken. With it open, we'll go from one side to the other to see what the banks of cells are saying. 305. That's not bad. 3.27. 3.25. 3.25 nearly. 3.25. This end bank is showing a little bit of, it's a little bit below the rest, so it'll be a little bit imbalance. Nothing to worry about as such, but that means all the cells are pretty much good. So I think if we bridge this little connector, we'll be good to go. I have an old one here. I can cut this connector out of it and bridge it in here, and we should have a good job. Yeah, just a little straight bit is all we need. That's all we need there. The prettiest of jobs was connecting in where it's supposed to. So we'll just put the lid in this and see if we can get it to charge again. It's screwed back together. We'll just try it in the charger now. See what happens. Yes, and it's charging. So we'll leave that for a while to see if it takes a full charge. Delighted to say, fully charged. So we'll test it now. With the voltmeter on it, we've got 20.4, 20.5 volts, a very respectable voltage for a Dewalt battery. Very little or no cell imbalance there to speak of. And we'll try her on a tool. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.